What does it take to be remembered as a legend in the world of football? Is it the number of goals scored, the titles won, or perhaps the ability to inspire millions? Today we delve into the careers of 10 footballers whose names are etched in the annals of history, not just for their on-field prowess, but for transforming the game itself. First on the list is Pelé, often referred to as the King of Football. Hailing from Brazil, Pelé's extraordinary goal-scoring ability led his country to 3 World Cup victories in 1958, 1962 and 1970. With over 1,000 career goals, Pelé set a benchmark that few could dream of reaching. Next, we turn to Diego Maradona of Argentina, a player whose name is synonymous with the Hand of God goal. Maradona's career peaked during the 1986 World Cup, where his solo goal against England is still celebrated as one of the greatest in the history of the sport. His impact extends beyond his magical footwork and controversial moments, embodying the spirit and passion of Argentinian football. From the same homeland as Maradona, Lionel Messi has redefined modern football with his impeccable skill and consistency. Messi's numerous Ballon d'Or awards highlight his individual brilliance, while his contributions have led Barcelona to numerous domestic and European titles. His ongoing career continues to build on his legacy as one of the all-time greats. Cristiano Ronaldo, the sensational forward from Portugal, matches his rival Messi in terms of accolades and influence. Known for his incredible athleticism and precision, Ronaldo has dominated football with multiple Ballon d'Or titles and has been instrumental in winning numerous league titles and Champions Leagues across England, Spain and Italy. Johan Cruyff from the Netherlands brought a new philosophy to football with his interpretation of total football. His intelligence on the field revolutionized the sport during the 1970s, and as a manager, he embedded this style into the fabric of Barcelona, influencing generations to come. Alfredo Di Stefano, the powerful forward who represented both Argentina and Spain, was key to Real Madrid's domination in European football during the 1950s and 60s. His versatility and ability to score crucial goals made him a pivotal figure in football history. Franz Beckenbauer of Germany redefined the role of a sweeper with his elegance and tactical intelligence. Known as Der Kaiser, Beckenbauer's leadership brought West Germany World Cup glory in 1974 and repeated success at club level with Bayern Munich. Michel Platini, one of France's greatest talents, combined technical skill with incredible vision. His leadership on the pitch led France to victory in the 1984 European Championship, and his tenure at Juventus was marked by numerous individual and team successes. Zinedine Zidane, another French legend known for his balletic grace under pressure, Zidane's career highlights include winning the World Cup in 1998 and scoring a legendary volley in the 2002 Champions League final for Real Madrid. Finally, Ronaldo Nazário from Brazil, widely known as O Fenomeno, dazzled the world with his explosive speed and precise finishing. His career, though marred by injuries, includes 2 World Cup wins and numerous personal accolades, making him one of the most feared strikers in football history. These players, each in their own unique way, have not only mastered the game, but have left a lasting legacy that transcends their list of achievements. They have inspired countless young players around the globe and have each, in their era, pushed the boundaries of what is possible in football. Their legendary status is not just a testament to their skill, but to their enduring influence on the beautiful game.